welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Aditi. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go subscribe and hit the bell icon now. For today's video, it's gonna be no makeup look. ये रहा मेरा final makeup look. So अगर आपको देखना है मैंने ये कैसे अचीव किया, it's very simple. कुछ ज़्यादा मैंने किया नहीं है. So for today's videos guys, I'm gonna do no makeup look. So with affordable products that you can buy very easily in the market, and also they are not costly. So that was the thing, and you can like these are the products which I really use on daily basis. So अगर आपको makeup करना पसंद है and you don't like to tend to spend much money on makeup, so this is a good alternative for you guys, and I'll share you how I do my makeup personally when I'm going for something small functions or quick makeup look which will be within 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, let's dive right in the video. Face पे कुछ नहीं लगा, it's just the moisturizer I have applied after washing my face. I use Ivory Peach moisturizer or Olay. So that are the two options which I use. They are a bit costly, but at least for a skincare, I used to use baby creams on my face. That was really good options if you want to go on a good friendly budget. So that was the thing. For my primer, I'm gonna use this aloe vera gel. एलोवेरा जेल बहुत इजीली है मार्केट में, बहुत अलग अलग कंपनीज की, और वो महंगे भी नहीं होते. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन एंड इट वर्क्स बेस्ट एज अ प्राइमर एंड इट ग्लोज अप योर स्किन वेरी वेल. इफ आपकी स्किन बहुत वो डल हो रहती है एंड इफ यू वांट टू ग्लो अप योर स्किन ओनली, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग आई हैव एवर यूज्ड. सो या, foundation as a base, I'm not going to use foundation but I'm going to use BB creams which are this Pond's and Garnier one. They both are together perfect together for me. Like एक बहुत thick consistency है, एक बहुत liquidy है. So उन दोनों का mixture मेरे लिए बहुत perfect work करता है. तो I use this one and they are really affordable and उनकी size बहुत compact रहता है. During travel it's really easy. So that is what I like about them. So I just apply because hands work the best. Fingers and hands work the best for your foundation appliance because उनकी like ही अपनी fingers की heat produce होती. Most of the times I use hands at least while I'm applying very easy makeup. बहुत heavy base नहीं होता तो मैं hands ही use करती हूँ. For my baking, for my face setting powder, I'm gonna use this Revolution का baking powder. This is really good. अगर आप कोई costly सा अगर कोई one time buy अगर अच्छा करना चाहते हो तो this is really good. मैं इसकी जगह पहले मैं talcum powder यूज़ किया करती थी and there's no difference in between. मैं अभी भी यूज़ करती हूँ पर अभी वो ख़त्म हो गया. Then that's why I'm using this. So वो भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. So I'm just gonna take a bit of the powder and just gonna apply it very lightly to my face, just to मतलब वो set हो जाए. So yeah, this is how my base makeup looks like. For my blush, eyes and lips, it's gonna be the same thing. I'm just gonna use this lipstick for all the three parts. I really like this shade. It's from Lakme MM13 Rose Bliss. This is really a good nude shade if you guys are looking for. And one thing I like about this lipstick is these lipsticks are not too costly and आप बहुत अच्छे से Nykaa की sales में बहुत अच्छी price में you can get it. I have bought so many times from Nykaa lipsticks when they get in the sale. So this is one hack which I'm giving you guys. Most of my makeup is bought from Nykaa's sale. I never directly buy because yeah, they are costly. I wait for the sale and then I get it. So मैं थोड़ा सा side में जाऊँगी just to look for the mirror. A bit on cheeks. A bit on eyelids. Eyelids पे इतना नहीं लगाया because I like my eyelids to be natural. Then this is on the cheeks. Very natural looking cheeks and eyes. And the last thing I'm gonna use is a mascara. Mascara is something I really like to अप्लाई एवरी टाइम। अगर मैं कुछ भी मेकअप नहीं लगा रही, मस्करा इज द मस्ट आई विल डू, एंड लिपस्टिक, ये दो भी लगा के मैं कहीं पर भी कैसे भी जा सकती हूँ, एनीथिंग। These two things are gonna are the game changer for your look, is what I personally feel. This is my final makeup look. Do tell me know in the comment below how it came out, and if you have any tips for improving my makeup, I'm always open because I'm not a professional makeup artist. So yeah guys, that was the thing. And one more thing I want to tell कि मैंने makeup आप लोगों ने देखा होगा तो मैंने 5-6 products use करके इतना अच्छा सा glowy सा skin किया है. तो this is the thing कि it's not important to have more makeup, it's important to how you use your makeup and how you do the tricks over it. So yeah, that's it. And usually I do prefer this kind of makeup. मैं ये बहुत बार करती हूँ. Even in my college days I used to do this type of things कि सिर्फ lipstick and mascara लगा दिया और थोड़ा सा cheeks पे लगा दिया, and this was what I did. So you guys can also do on daily basis for like college work or maybe office work. So that was the thing, and thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video, share and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Till then, bye bye.